In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your country or region in the Google Play Store step by step directly from your mobile phone. This is useful if you've moved to another country, if you want access to apps or games that are only available in a specific region, or if you need to update your payment currency. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store app on your phone. Once it's open, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Payments and Subscriptions. Next, tap on Payment Methods. Scroll down until you see an option called More Payment Settings and tap on that. At this point, you'll be redirected to your Google Payments webpage in your browser. On the top left corner of the screen, tap on the three horizontal lines to open the menu. From the menu, choose Settings. Here, you'll see the option to edit your country or region. Tap on it. A message will appear asking you to create a new payments profile for the new country. Go ahead and tap on Continue. Now, you can choose the new country you want to set. Simply select it from the list and tap Continue. You'll then be asked to enter your address details for that country. Fill in the required information such as street address, city, and postal code, then tap Submit. Once you've completed this step, your Google Play Store country will be updated to the new location. A few important things to remember. You can only change your Play Store country once every 12 months, so be sure to select the correct one. Also, after you change your country, the Play Store will automatically update to show apps, games, and content available in that region only. Prices will also be shown in the new local currency. Keep in mind, you might need to add a valid payment method from your new country, such as a debit or credit card, to make purchases. If you don't, you might not be able to buy apps, games, or subscriptions. And that's it. You've successfully changed your country in the Google Play Store. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, please make sure to like the video